iZotope Ozone 11. It's free to use, free to download, and it's probably one of the best EQ plugins out there at the moment.
Live on the beat.
So as you guys know, iZotope Ozone, really good company. The masters, when it comes to mixing and mastering, have provided Ozone 11 equalizer. This is free. Now let me show you some features on this. So guys, this is the iZotope Ozone 11. It's free to use, free to download, and I made a quick free melody here at the top. Now before I tell you more information on how to download it, where to get it, and how it works, I'm going to show you some of the free presets that it comes with. Now this is the preset browser on the side, and there's a pretty cool presets in here. You can use it for bass, boost, clear bass, clear mid-range, control the low end. So if we select the control the low end, we're going to get effect like this. Now this is really cool for melodies. Check this out. So without it on, you can bypass it if you want to test it. If you click on a bypass, you can actually turn it on and off, instantly seeing the real results of the EQ with it on and without it, just by clicking on it. And there's a lot of cool presets on here that will change the way this is gonna sound. You can also change the amount just by dragging this little lever at the top. Now you can also change it from stereo to mid-side, left and right, different kind of settings. Really cool effect. You can also switch between the two viewports here on the screen and actually control everything that you see. Just by selecting this little toggle at the top, you can switch between the browsers and see all the effects of what you're cutting off and everything that you're doing. So when you move this up, you can see the figures change. So you can really control these settings, and you can actually add presets. For example, just like clicking on here and changing a few different settings. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link below in my description if you want to read more and download Ozone 11. It will show you all the information and all the details on Producer Buzz and everything that you need to know, as well as provide you with all the download information that you need to take in order to download this. So there'll be a link in my description. You do need to create an account with iZotope Ozone, but this is well worth the time. Again, this is a plugin that most producers do not sit on. Definitely recommend you guys trying this out. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe if you like this content. Again, this is the daily upload schedule. We upload pretty much every day, and this is the upload schedule of what you can expect at 6 PM UK time. Apart from that, hit the like and subscribe. Drop a comment below on what you guys think about this. Do you have a better free EQ plugin? Because I think this one beats them all. Thanks for watching. Peace out, subscribe, and ciao.